Oh, let's get some clips. GTI? Oh my god. Yo, where we at, bro?
What is good, boys? Welcome back to another welcome back to another video with your boy. If you guys are new here, my name is Chris. We're building my MK7 GTI here on the channel. We go fast, have a good time. And if that's something that interests you, go down there, hit that subscribe button, join us, because we're growing fast. Let's get it. We're on that next step to 10,000 subscribers, my guy. We got a ways to go, but we're gonna get it, and I want to see if we can do it before the end of the year. I want to at least get halfway. I think we can do 5 before the end of the year. That'd be sick. All right, first, a juicy cold start. It's such a tractor. It sounds so good. All right, for the OGs on the channel, you're obviously gonna know, I am on my lunch break. I'm at my regular work destination. Today, I figured I'm trying to get as much filming in as I can, and why not use up my lunch break? So we're gonna go for a rip on the lunch break. So I saw this video a while ago, and I forgot what it was. I'll put it up in editing, but I'm giving credit to this dude. He did a video a while ago of like getting coffee in my straight piped M4, like something like that. It was just like a POV vlog, like ripping around kind of thing. I think it's super sick. So today we're gonna grab some coffee, we're gonna grab some lunch, we're gonna rip, cause some mayhem, and see what it do. For those who don't know, this is my 2016 EQT tuned Stage 2 MK7 GTI. We're still in stock turbo, still in stock clutch. Bunch of new stuff's coming, and yeah, that's where we're at. Let's go for a rip. It just never gets old, bro. I don't even care. I don't care what anybody says. Oh, yo, the short shifter. I don't know if okay. For those who don't know, go back and check out yesterday's video. We did the ECS short shifter kit, front to back for this, and it feels so good. Let her warm up a little bit, and then we'll go cause some mayhem. Yo, the new clutch, it's gonna be so good. That with this shifter, it's gonna feel like a completely different car. Ew. What the fuck is that, bro? Guy's got the Tomes on the Chevy? Hit the gratatas for the boys. Good heavens. The chick in the car back there, like, she's like, damn! Alright, actually what I'm gonna do is go f myself, because the line is wrapped. Damn it. I gotta get one of those, I need to order one of those like 360 view cameras for like when we're doing runs and shit. That's what I need to do. All right, let's see if we can get like a good non-spinning first kind of hit. Yo, if you can figure out how to modulate throttle a little bit with GTI and not get it to spin, granted, like, there's an extent where it just spins no matter what, and that's fine, but it just, it feels so quick. Cops! We're gonna put the windows down so they can't tell that they're tinted. Yo, imagine we get pulled over on the vlog. There's 2 of them. Okay, I think we're good. They're definitely looking for something, but it's not me. Hey, friend. What's up, Hayden? You made the vlog, bro. Let's get a good rip on the highway, and then we'll head over to White River and we'll wash the car, get a coffee, and then have a little bit. We'll go through downtown, and then we'll head back. This is kind of sick. If you guys like the lunchtime vlog, let me know. We'll just do like some random, like, we can do our hooning around on the lunch break. Yeah, we can like rip around on lunch break and then do like mods over the weekend. That might work out pretty well, actually. I kind of like that. Turbo, let's be real, it's gonna rip. I'm so hyped. I just want to see, like, I just want to push this thing to limits. I want to see what it can do. I understand people push it too far and they have problems and shit happens, but like, that's why we're here, dude. We're here to find the limits. We're here to have fun, work on the car, learn about the car, you know what I'm saying? Oh my god, shout out to the dude who like completely shit up and down me on an Instagram post the other day. I'm not even gonna name him, it doesn't matter. I'm not gonna be petty about it. I just thought it was hilarious. He's got like a clean Golf R, you know, it's on bags, it's on like super clean BBS, a clean build. And he like commented on one of my Instagram posts, he was like, too bad it sounds like shit and looks like shit. And I was like, oh, okay, bro. And like went on and on, dude. I just don't understand shit like that. Like, we're all here for the same reason, bro. Go fast, have a good time, look good, you know what I'm saying? He unfortunately falls into the very toxic category of the car community these days. And that's where he stands, bro. He stands alone. So shout out to you, homie. I just don't understand why people gotta be like that, man. Like, just... And then I was like, yeah, so you feel validated because the kid who is working at McDonald's and making it on his dollar, who just bought his first car, and it's a shitbox Civic, but it's all he's got, and he bought his first set of cheap wheels and some coilovers or some fucking springs, you can justify and you can say that that's, yeah, that's not okay. Anyway, that's my rant for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed that. This guy just barely started putting in the coins, which is totally okay, but look how clean the car is. Like, what? It looks like it just got a detail. My guy, I think she's clean, bro, but I respect it. It's like, I can literally see my license plate number. It is that clear. The turbo noises are so good. All right, I'm gonna spray it off real quick, and we'll get back to ripping. We need to hear some of that turbo whistle. The dog, no! Yeah, I need you to move the fuck out of the way. The torque steer is so bad. We just bottomed out so hard. Let's go! You know, it wasn't the coffee I wanted. Oh, an SI? An SI, my guy? Right there, dude. All right, Alrighty, bros. I think that is going to conclude this short, quick video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the POV style. I'm going to do more of these like lunchtime videos, except I'll try to line it up where like maybe we can get some runs in with somebody, or I don't know, just fucking send it, do some we'll do our hooning on my lunch breaks. That's kind of sick. I like that. If you guys like this video, go down there, hit a like for your boy. Don't forget, keep your eyes out for the new videos. New mods coming. There's a lot of big stuff coming. And let's push this bitch, bro. Until next time, homies, keep driving, keep it real. Your boy will catch you in the next one. Bang!
Know that the ride or die.